So I've been debating for the last few months if I should get the Insta360 Go Ultra, and I finally did it! And I got it during the Black Friday sale, so it was like $100 cheaper. So I wanted to do a little unboxing with you guys to see what's inside. So of course there's the camera, and it has a few accessories in there already. And then the creator bundle also came with the quick release mount, and this pivot stand, and this mini 2-in-1 tripod. And because it was Black Friday, I also got this SD card for free and this carrying case for free as well. And I also got this other tripod for free for Black Friday. So lots of free stuff, which is so awesome. I'm actually filming this on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which I really like as well, but I just felt like I wanted something to get more creative shots, you know? Yay! Oh my god, it's so cute! The camera is magnetic, which was my favorite feature. Okay, this is a magnetic pendant, and it's adjustable. I wonder if it'll go through the sweater. Oh, it does. This is the action pod, which is where the camera goes into. Yeah, it just goes like this. So you do have to press this button, but it's kind of hard to take it out, which is a good thing, I guess. And this is the magnetic clip. You can clip this into a hat, put it magnetic like that. This strap, so that it doesn't fall, I guess. If I press this, then this comes out, but I have to put this into here. My sister will help me. I'm really excited for the pivot stand because it's a suction, so even if you're not using a magnetic surface, you can still put it on. This is what it looks like. And it has this bottom part. And I really like how the suction, you can cover it so it doesn't get super dirty. I think this goes into the action pod like this. Yeah. Okay, yeah, clips into here. But then I have to figure out how it clips into the actual camera itself. Maybe put it flat. Oh, thank you. My sister figured it out. You just have to put it flat. That's pretty cool. I like how it's like very versatile. And it's like stuck on there if you don't press the buttons. I feel like I'll definitely use this when I'm flying, just because my DJI is a little bit like inconvenient to carry around, to be honest. So this will be super convenient because I can just throw it in my work bag. And this is the tripod. And I also have to like connect a few pieces. Someone just pull out the bottom. Oh, yeah. And there should be a way to, oh yeah, and you can just extend it as well. So yeah, a very nice product. Finally, I also got this other tripod, like selfie stick, and it was free, which is awesome. Okay, yeah, just like a normal tripod, I guess. Nice. This seems like a really good tripod. Okay, and that was my very messy unboxing video. I can't wait to start using this camera. It's just so tiny, and I'm sure I'll be able to make a lot of cool videos with this. Thanks for watching, and hope you look forward to the next one.